Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia 1 III, and let me share with you how to enable developer options on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom in order to find About Phone. Now let's scroll and find build number, which should be at the very bottom of the list, and all you have to do right now is to simply keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. As you can see, in my case there is no need because I am already in the developer options. If you've got the pattern pin or password, then probably your device will ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. So now we can go back and let's enter the system, tap on advanced, and as you can see here we've got the developer options, so let's tap on it. And as you can see, here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can show surface updates. Here we've got some options which are connected to the Bluetooth with the Wi-Fi, or we've got the feature flags and so on and so on. So in order to turn on the feature, all you have to do is to simply tap on the switcher on it, and as you can see, it is immediately activated and applied. Obviously you can turn it off the same way. If you can see the options without the switcher, like here in the window animation scale, just tap on it in order to open much more advanced options. So if you're done with customization of developer options, all you have to do is to simply tap on this switcher at the very top. And as you can see, most of the options are inactive. Of course, you can turn them on the same way. After getting back to the system settings, the developer options will disappear, but of course, no worries. If you'd like to customize them again, just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. So actually, this is it. This is how to enable developer options in your SONY Xperia 1 III. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.